guys, welcome back with some more Hungry Shark Evolution! Oh yes! And today I'm going to get 15 sunken items. So let me find all 15 sunken items. So I know where they are. So I'll show you how to find a robot monkey. So the thing is, go down right there, then go right there. That's the way how to find a robot monkey. And another one is a golden box. So I'll show you where it is. So you need to go there. Okay. Then I think I need to go down there. Is it? Oh, come on. Oh, I found it. So I did go in the wrong one, but it's right there. Oh, got it. Golden box. So then let's go in the Western Sea to find it. Okay, well, you're down there. So, where is it? Probably. Oh, but it's not down there. Oh, is it right there? This place is drinkable. And where is it down there? Where is it? Oh, I found it! Oh my god! Where am I going? Okay, so let's go down to your nest. Nope, I'm not doing that. Nope. So that's the place where I could not go. So I will go right there. So that's the place where I could go. Oh my god, there's a lot of things. Okay, found it. Dang. Get out, angelfish. Okay, now let's go up. Right there. So the mission is find all 15 sunken items. So I don't know where are those sunken items? Where do I have to go? Oh, it's to the Campy Bass area. I didn't know that. Okay. How do I get up? Okay, it's like this. Okay. Okay, yes, I got this. This wins like... Okay, get this. Yes, that's great. Look at all of these ones! Whoa! Look, what am I doing? But there will be a baby shark. So I need to do something to get there. Okay, so get the boat, get another boat. Yeah! And now let's go to the Campy Bass area. Where do I have to go? Oh, it's right there. Wait, there's no baby sharks. That's what it is. Okay, I got the Campy Bass. And now let's go up there. I have no idea what to do. Then where do I find the sunken item? So I got already 6 of them, I think. Where are the sunken items? Do-do-do-do-do. Yes, I got you, Megalodon. Everything. Wait, how did he not see me? How did he see me? Okay, now it's getting Moby Dick. Woohoo! You wrong? Good. So where do I have to go to get the Sunken item? I think I need to go there to find the Sunken item. So where's the Sunken item that I can find? Leave the comments below. I can't find a Sunken item. Where do I find it at? Okay, there we go, followers. Kraken. I think it's there. Oh, yes! That's a guitar. I cannot have to escape there. There's the island. Or I should escape. That's it. Okay. Go! Mr. Snap and out of the bridge. Oh no! Oh no! There's a big problem, dude. The cages are the baddest cages just to make. So let's go in this place. Yeah, this place is not dangerous. This place is no sharks. Okay, I'll go Gold Rush. Okay, I think we need to go right there. For the Sunken item. No! Wait, the Sunken item is Tower of Pisa? How do I find that? Wait, I need to just go right there. Okay, now let's go there. Yes! The Tower of Pisa! In this place. Stop it, dude! No, you bring me down to nothing! Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see what's right there. I think I got all 15 Sunken items, so let me see what other missions. All Mangalore inside percent. 250 birds. It's X Big Daddies. So about 25 minutes. How are I going to complete that mission? Just go. Just go. Just go? Where are the Sunken items? I think they're right there. Nothing! Okay. I just see something down there. Guys, what's going on? I can't find any Sunken items. I cannot. I can't. Love fish. You're gonna set stuff dead. Oh my god, how did it get in right in there? Fight faster, no! No, say! No! Almost got him. Go! Yes, both. Here, man. Dream. Come on. Come on, dude. This is unsensible. Just come. Oh my god, look at this, dude. Look at this. I can't find any Sunken items, but I don't know where they are. But I don't know where they are. Wait, there's a robot. Right there. Look at the robot. Fire robot. So there's, I collected 10, I think. Collected! there's one on Gold Course area. I think there's one in Gold Course area. Okay, now let's go down. Where is it? There it is. Luminite. It's in there. There's Nessie. Then what's there? There's Gold Purse. Oh yes! There's another Gold Purse. One. No! I think it's there right there now. Scuba back. Is it right there? This is a Spearman's home. Nope, it's not. Where do I find it at? Was it right there? Nope, it's not. Let's go right there. Oh my god, what am I doing? Yo! What am I doing? Was those other synchronized things right there? Where is it? It's right there. No, but I didn't find that in there. Nope. Where are the synchronized things? I don't know where they are. Yes! Megaludon for days and there's a girl that was not there. So how did I oh my god, did I just die? So Just one word. God, I hear this. Gold Rush. I have to find some sunken items. Let's get the Moby Dick. Illuminate. It's so slow again. Nope, there's no Illuminate. The thing is how to find. So the thing is, where is it? Wait, I need to go to Baby Shark and a Leo spot. I need to go there. Just stop it, Seals! You killed me, so I die at 60 million. That's really good. Wait, how am I doing? Short, thank you. So let's get the Nessie. Yes, we should get it. Nessie for days and days. Okay, now let's go right there. Okay, 65 million. Oh my god, I'm tired of this. Look at my hands are tired. Okay, so there's a boat right there, so I should get the boat. So I gotta go around here. Critical. That's critical! Wait, how did I not get in his critical? I thought I was getting a critical. Yes! Get it down! Yes! Thank you, Electro Sharks! Yes, come on! The Electro Shark, give me the gold. How much hours? 142 hours! Oh my god, 142 hours is like a long time. They just said wait for 145 hours. 142 hours? I think I should get a new high score. Wait, there's one right there. I didn't know that. Okay, got the horse. Just come on. Just wisely. Yes. So you're moving wisely. Just like you. Okay, now let's get out. Okay. Oh, look so sharp. Not up. Up is nowhere to go. Why are you moving far? Oh, come on. I moved so far away. How did that just happen? Okay. Let's find some things. Okay. What the hell? Why there's no fishes in there? There's only sharks. Let's go right there. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. The gold. I almost got a gold rush. No! Well, I'm dead. Look at my health. Okay. This is not going to be the new high score. Let me see how much sunken items I collected. 10. Then where's 5 of them? Okay, I think that's it, dude. Thank you for watching this video. Please click your like button below and subscribe this video. Okay, bye.